Have you ever thought of migrating Tableau to Power BI? Meet Bloombridge TP, the AI-powered solution that transforms your Tableau to Power BI migration. Manual migration has hidden dependencies, complex workbooks, months of manual work, costly errors, and the risk of bringing your analytics to a standstill. That's why we built Bloombridge TP. Faster, smarter, and nearly error-free. Connect your Tableau environment and instantly discover every workbook, dashboard, data source, and dependency automatically. Our AI-powered engine analyzes and migrates each asset with precision, preserving calculations, visuals, filters throughout the transformation. Then, seamlessly publish everything to Power BI, fully optimized, validated, and ready to use. No rebuilding, no migration headaches, just a smooth, AI-powered transition your teams can trust. 70 to 80% faster migration timelines, near zero errors, with AI-driven automation, and the opportunity to significantly reduce licensing costs. Before migrating a single workbook, Bloombridge TP gives you complete visibility. Dashboards, calculations, data sources, dependencies, analyzed intelligently, so you know exactly what you're working with. Future-proof your analytics effortlessly. Reach out to our experts today to unlock a smarter data future.